Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sick Love. We'll break down the song into manageable parts, starting with the fundamental chords and rhythm. You'll learn the main guitar riff and how to integrate it into the overall structure. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to approach this fantastic song and begin your practice journey. Let's get started with the basics. Let's dive into the essential chords for Sick Love. You'll primarily use a minor, G major, C major, and F major. Practice transitioning smoothly between these four chords. The verse progression follows a simple pattern: a minor, G, C, then F, repeating 4 times. Try to keep a steady, consistent down-up strumming pattern to build a solid rhythmic foundation before adding more complexity. Now, let's tackle the main riff and lead guitar elements that define Sick Love. The iconic riff is typically played on the higher strings, often around the 5th to 8th frets. Pay close attention to precise finger placement and clear note articulation to make it sound crisp. When playing the lead lines, try to incorporate subtle bends and vibrato to add that expressive character, making the melody truly sing. Understanding the song's structure is key to playing Sick Love effectively. It generally follows a verse-chorus structure, with a memorable bridge section that adds dynamic contrast. When practicing, always start slowly, focusing on accuracy for each part before gradually increasing your speed. Finally, listen to the original recording frequently to internalize the precise timing, feel, and nuances of the song, which will greatly enhance your performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.